March 1867. A factory accident renders 28-year-old John Muir blind. He lies in a darkened room for 6 weeks in the hopes of regaining his vision. His sight restored, Muir vows to follow his dreams of exploration. Settling in San Francisco, Muir immediately departs for Yosemite, having read of its wonders. He builds a cabin along Yosemite Creek and is fearful that domesticated livestock will destroy his beloved valley. Muir writes 2 articles that push Congress to establish Yosemite National Park, but the park remains under state control. When Teddy Roosevelt visits the park, Muir shows him the real Yosemite, convincing the president that Yosemite needs federal protection from state mismanagement and the exploitation of its resources. John Muir's tenacity leads to the Antiquities Act of 1906, which places Yosemite National Park under federal control, forever preserving its splendor for future generations.